And then just start to bring some softness into your face. So just check in with where you're at. I think it's really helpful before you start, just to kind of like have a little body scan and just see how you feel and where you're at. So just starting to kind of like wind down, to leave the past behind, to not think about the future, and to just settle into this moment. So soften through your jaw, soften your shoulders, soften through your feet, your ankles. Just start to relax into your whole body. So when you're ready, you're going to inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count your breath. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. And try and visualize this box in your mind. So as you inhale, the upside of the box. As you pause, you're drawing the top of the box. As you exhale, the other side of the box. And then pause, you draw the bottom of the box to join back up again. Inhale. Pause. Soften your face. Exhale. Pause. Draw the box with your mind. Inhale. Pause the top of the box. Exhale. Pause the bottom of the box. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Inhale. Pause. Soften your face, your eyes. Exhale. Pause. And you can keep going with this as long as you like.